Lachlan Turner, and I'm the 2026 MXW champion. My dad used to race, and he got his first bike at 19, and then he had kids, so he had to stop that career. So then my brother started riding, and I just wanted to be like my brother. My brother, Lux Turner, he races over here and in the States on this team. Yeah, he's the toughest person on me, and he tries to make me better in everything. Me and my brother used to ride in the hills, and then yeah, we tried for Loretta's one year and we both made it, so that's what started it. I'm happy to be racing over here and in the States. I have an amazing team over here, and I have a good team in the States, and I'm looking forward to trying to wrap that championship up in the States as well. I have so many little girls coming up to me, and they're just like, just want to be me. Our race weekends are definitely shorter here. In the States, we race at like 5 o'clock or on Saturday, and then like on Friday we race at like 12, so it's definitely a big difference. Over here we get both motos done by 12, so that's a big change, and yeah, it's different riding different tracks over here. So yeah, my plan moving forward is the end of this year I'll race Supercross over here, and then next year we'll see what it comes, but my goals eventually are to race boys professionally and Supercross professionally. Yeah, I can't thank the guys from Monster Energy Yamaha team for believing in me and giving me this opportunity, and we have a lot more to accomplish. Yeah, I will be racing over here next year on this team. I hope to be racing all you Australians again next year.